Alright, this is how to find the country Germany, or how to find Germany's energy output.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
This website's called ourworlddata.org. As you can see here, it is quite advanced because there are a lot of graphs that you can see. Energy use per person, energy, how much energy does the country consume each year. It's actually quite useful, but it does go very in depth, as you can see if you are data savvy for the most part. So definitely renew this. The next website is called usdeadclock.org, and as you can see here, if you were to scroll down, we can see Germany is right over here below Canada and above Korea, and this is all for free.